Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine. First I am going to ask you some questions. First tell me types of economic activities. If you were in the class, surely your answer would be primary, secondary and tertiary activities. Second question is what activities come under the primary sector? Sure, your answer would be agriculture, animal husbandry. So today we are going to discuss about agriculture. First question arises here. What do you mean by agriculture? Generally people understand that keeping animal and growing crops for food, we can say that farming. First of all, it is necessary to know what is the importance of agriculture in Indian economy. So let's discuss about importance of agriculture in Indian economy. First, India is an agriculture country. Its main occupation is agriculture. Nearly two-thirds of its population depends directly on agriculture for its livelihood. Agriculture is the mainstay of India's economy. Its main contribution of GDP growth. It accounts for 26% of the gross domestic product. It ensures food security for the country and produces several raw materials for industries. For example, sugar industry depends on agriculture for their raw material. Sugarcane, cotton industry depends on their raw material. Cotton on agriculture for cotton. Agriculture development is therefore a precondition of our national prosperity. Now we know about types of farming. There are three types of farming: primitive subsistence, intensive subsistence and commercial farming. First we know about the primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is still practiced in few pockets of India. Primitive subsistence agriculture practiced on small patches of land. With the help of primitive tools like hoe, jaw, digging stick and the family community labor are used. Farming mainly depends on monsoon rain. No agriculture aid provided outside from the area, and soil fertility depends on natural fertility. No chemical fertilizer used in this type of farming. Crops are grown as per the suitability of the environmental condition. When soil fertility goes down, the farmers shift to another land, so it is also called a shifting cultivation. Crop only grown for family member. It is not sold in the market. This type of farming is also called a slash and burn agriculture. So question arises here, why it is called a slash and burn agriculture? A patch of land is cleared by slashing the trees and burning them, and ash is then mixed with the soil, and so it is called a slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture is also known as shifting cultivation. Slash and burn agriculture is known by different names in the world and in India. Jhuming known as in the northeastern state, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. Palamu in Manipur, Deepa in Bastar, Chhattisgarh and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Beber or Daiya in Madhya Pradesh, Podu और पेंडा इन आंध्र प्रदेश, पोम्मा डाबी और कोमन और ब्रिंगा इन उड़ीसा, कुमारा वेस्टर्न घाट, Gwalior or Voltaire southeastern Rajasthan, Hill in Himalaya belt, Kuruva in Jharkhand, Milpa in Mexico and Central America, Conoco in Venezuela, Roca in Brazil, Masole in Central Africa, Ladang in Indonesia, Ray in Vietnam. Sweet potato and maize are major crop in this farming. That's all for today. We will discuss intensive subsistence farming and commercial farming in next video. Thank you.